Hello kids, I am Miss Nutei. Today, let us continue with the sound of E. The sound of E. At, E, T, at. Now look and listen and say the word. This is a net. Net. Let's spell the word. N, E, T. Net. Net. Jet. Jet. Let's spell the word. J, E, T. Jet. Jet. This is a pet. Pet. Let's spell the word. P, E, T. Pet. Pet. These are the sound of E. At. Let's look at the picture and say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Net. Net. Jet. Jet. Pet. Pet. Good job. Now the sound of E. Ed. E, D, ed. Look at the picture and say the word. This is a bed. Bed. Let's spell the word. B, E, D. Bed. Bed. This rose is red. Red. Let's spell the word. R, E, D. Red. Red. These are the sound of E. Add. Add. Let's look at the picture and say the word 2 times each. Ready? Start. Bed. Bed. Red. Red. Good job, everyone.